Good morning, students. So yesterday we have derived the equation for exactness of a differential equation. Now today we solve the problems on this equation. So here the problem is solve sec square x tan y dx plus sec square y tan x dy equal to 0. Okay, so first what we do is we check the exactness of the given differential equation. That means whether the given equation is exact or not, we first check that equation. So now compare this equation, compare the given equation with m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Okay, so now we come to know what is value of m. So m is equal to sec square x tan y and n is equal to sec square y tan x. Now we differentiate this m with respect to y. So dou m by dou y. Dou m by dou y is equal to, with respect to y means x is constant. So sec square x becomes constant. Integration of tan y is sec square y. And similarly here n is equal to sec square y tan x. Now differentiate this n with respect to x. Dou n by dou x equal to, so here while differentiating with respect to x, y is constant. So sec square y, tan x differentiation is sec square x. Now see here dou m by dou y is sec square x sec square y, dou n by dou x is also sec square x sec square y, both are same. So dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. So therefore the given differential equation, okay, so the given differential equation, this one is exact, right? Because this condition is holds, dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. So therefore the given equation is exact. So when the equation is exact, then we solve the equation. To solve that equation, what we do is the solution is given by integration of m dx. So here integration of m dx means keeping y term constant. So here it is there now, integration where y constant of m dx. So integrate this m keeping y as constant. So integration of m dx keeping y constant plus, now integration of terms of n not containing x, means this is n, this is a term of n. Okay, now here we have to integrate only the term which does not contain x. We have to integrate the term of n which does not contain x. Okay, so now according to that, so integration of y constant m dx, so m means sec square x tan y, sec square x tan y dx plus, now here in this n term there is no term such that it does not contain x here, because this is a term which contains tan x, means this term contains x. So therefore the term not containing x is 0. So integration of 0 dy which is equal to c. Okay, next is, so keeping y constant, so tan y is constant, take that outside the integral sign. Now integration of sec square x dx equal to c. So this is tan y. Now integration of sec square x is tan x. So tan y tan x equal to c. So this is the solution of the given differential equation. Next, similarly we take another equation, solve, this is the problem, solve e raised to y plus 1 cos x dx plus e raised to y sin x dy equal to 0. Okay, so now this is the equation. Again what we do, we compare the given equation with this standard equation, that is m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Now we come to know what is m. This is m, okay, and this is n. So m is e raised to y plus 1 cos x and n is e raised to y sin x, e raised to y sin x. So compare this given equation with this standard equation and we get m and n. Okay, so then now differentiating. differentiating with respect to y, dou m by dou y is equal to, so e raised to y, cos x is constant, cos x as it is, differentiation of e raised to y plus 1 is e raised to y. Next, differentiate n with respect to x, dou n by dou x, which is equal to e raised to y constant, sin x differentiation cos x. Now here see the dou m by dou y is cos x e raised to y, dou n by dou x again cos x e raised to y, both are equal. So therefore dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Okay, again this condition holds, therefore the given differential equation is exact. Next we solve the equation. Again we consider the same equation, that is integration of m dx keeping y constant plus integration of terms of n not containing x dy equal to 0, right? So this is equal to, now integration of m means this is m e raised to y plus 1 into cos x dx plus, now integration of terms of n. Now see here, this is a n, this is a term of n, and there is no term not containing x, which means there is no term which is free from x. So here this term is there but sin x is there, therefore the terms not containing x is 0. So therefore this is integration of 0 dy, which is equal to c. So now integrating this, keeping y as constant, so e raised to y plus 1 is constant, integration of cos x is sin x, which is equal to c. So therefore this is the solution, right? So this is how we solve a given differential equation, by checking whether the given equation is exact or not. We take another problem. Solve 1 plus e raised to x by y dx, okay, plus, this is the problem, plus e raised to x by y into 1 minus x by y dy equal to 0. Now in this is a given equation. Now comparing this equation with this standard equation, m dx plus n dy, okay. Now compare these two equations. Now we get m is equal to 1 plus e raised to x by y, here it is, right, this one, and comparing n is equal to this, we will get n is equal to e raised to x by y into 1 minus x by y dy. So by comparing this with this one, we will get m and n. Next is differentiating m with respect to y, dou m by dou y is equal to, with respect to y we differentiate, means keeping x is constant, so differentiation of 1 is 0. Next is differentiation of e raised to x by y, e raised to x by y. Now applying chain rule, differentiate, we have to differentiate x by y, but here we treat x as constant, so keep x as constant. Differentiation of 1 by y is minus 1 by y square, so which is equal to minus x by y square e raised to x by y. Now take n term, then n, then differentiate n with respect to x, which is equal to, with respect to x means y term is constant, right? So here we have to apply product rule. So first function e raised to x by y as it is. Now differentiation of the second function, differentiation of 1 is 0. Next differentiation of x by y, but keeping y as constant, so which gives 1 by y is constant, differentiation of x is 1, so e raised to x by y into 1 by y, minus second function as it is, e raised to x by y into differentiation of this one x by y. After simplification we will get minus x by y square into e raised to x by y. Now see, this is dou m by dou y and this is dou n by dou x, both are same, so therefore the given equation is exact, and therefore the solution is, again apply the same formula, integration of y constant m dx plus integration of terms of n not containing x dy equal to 0. So that is integration of y constant m means, so this is m, right, this is m, So m is 1 plus e raised to x by y. So m means 1 plus e raised to x by y. Okay, m means, again apply the same technique. M means e raised to 1 plus e raised to 1 plus e raised to x by y, then plus integration of terms not containing x. So in this case both the terms are containing x only, therefore integration of terms of n is 0. So only the first term is left, then integrate it, then and keeping y as constant, then you will get the solution of the given differential equation. Okay, so this is how we solve a given problem. And similarly here, again this equation is also same. Here the problem is y into e raised to xy dx plus x into e raised to xy plus 2y into dy equal to 0. Okay, again same method you have to follow. Compare the given equation with standard m dx plus n dy, find m and n, then differentiate m with respect to y, differentiate n with respect to x. So dou m by dou y you will get. Now see whether dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x are equal or not. If they are equal, then the given differential equation is exact. Okay, and then we find the solution. If these are not equal, if dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x, then clearly it is not an exact differential equation. Okay, it is not an exact differential equation, and don't go for the solution. Okay, write as it is, that is the given differential equation is not exact. Okay, so then if it is, then find out dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x, and equate it, check whether both are equal or not. If they are equal, then find the solution by using the same formula, that is integration of y constant m dx plus integration of terms of n not containing x, right? And in this case this is the terms n. Now see here, in this case the first term it contains x. Okay, so therefore it does not come. So only the second term is free from x. There is no term of x, only y term is there. 2 into y, there is no x term. So therefore here integration of terms not containing x means integration of only 2y dy, because this 2y does not contain x. So therefore integration of 2y dy. We have to, in this here, in the second term we have to take only that term which does not contain x. So this is a n term, this is n term, this is n term. Okay, now this is n, right? This is n. Here there are two terms. So first one is x into e raised to xy, second one is 2y. In the first term there is x, so therefore we don't take this one. But in the second term there is no x, so therefore we take this term, that is the terms not containing x. Okay, so therefore this gives integration of 2y dy equal to c. Next again integrating, keeping y as constant. Okay, and then you will get the solution of this differential equation. Another type problem we have, this is again a solve y square e raised to x y square plus 4x cube dx plus 2xy e raised to xy square minus 3y square dy equal to 0. Okay, again the same method you have to follow. Okay, then find the m and n. Okay, dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Prove that dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x, then it becomes exact. Then apply the formula, integration of m dx keeping y constant, okay, is equal to integration of terms of n not containing x. Okay, same formula you have to apply here, and you will get the solution of the given differential equation. So here every problem it has the same procedure. Every problem has the same procedure, and it is very easy. Just find out m and n, differentiate m with respect to y, differentiate n with respect to x, check whether the two terms are equal or not. If they are equal, then find the solution. Okay, so So these are the exercises. Okay, so note down this, then try to solve these problems. And here you have answers for these problems. Okay, so take these problems, okay, as homework and try to solve these, then only you will be perfect. Okay, so with this I conclude my today's class, and I'll continue in the next class. Thank you.